Welcome to Himani Coaching Center. We are committed to simplify concepts and amplify confidence of all the students who are watching our videos to learn maths, physics, and chemistry. Today we are going to do questions from GST for ICSE board class 10th students, and these are the questions which are there in your competency and application based questions. Okay. So the question is, a shopkeeper marked the pressure cooker at 1800 rupees. Rate of GST on the pressure cooker is 12%. Customer has only 1792 with him and he requests the shopkeeper to reduce the price so that he can buy the cooker in 1792. What percent discount must the shopkeeper give? Now let us assume that the customer pays X rupees. Okay. Now, if he is paying as X rupees, he will pay 12% GST also on that. So the bill amount would be what? X plus 12% of X. And that is the bill amount, which in this case is 1792. Okay. Why are we doing this? Because the customer has requested the shopkeeper that he can pay only 1792 including GST. So we are saying, okay, let both of them agree that he is getting it at X rupees. Then the shopkeeper will charge 12% on X and the final bill would be 1792. Now let's do this. So it is X plus 12 over 100X, which is equal to 1792. Let's do the LCM. It is upon 1, so I have to multiply this with 100. So this becomes 100x plus 12x, which is 112 over 100x, which is equal to 1792. And hence x would be 1792 into 100 divided by 112. Okay, so this is what you will get. Now we can solve this and you can just do maybe, 2, this is what, 4, is it divisible by 4? Yes, so we can divide 4 2s are 8 and 4 8s are 32. Here it is 4 4s are 16, 4 4s are again 16. Again it is divisible by 4, 7s are and 1 1 2. Now 112 goes by 7 16 times. So 16 into 100 is a 1600. That means the customer got the cooker now at 1600 rupees. What was the marked price there? 1800. Now we have to find the percentage discount given by the shopkeeper. So let us find the discount which he got or the shopkeeper gave. Discount given would have been 1800 minus 1600, which is some 200 rupees. So percentage discount would be what? Discount divided by marked price, so which is 200 divided by 1800 times 100 because we are finding percentage. Okay, so this goes 2 zeros, so we get 100 by 9%. You can simplify this, it would be 11 1 by 9%. So that is our answer. Okay. If you are watching the video for the first time, you have come to the channel for the first time, please subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon. If you are liking the video, please press the like button and share the video with your friends. Now let us move to the next question. Now this question is again application and evaluation based GST. The marked price of a toy is same as the percentage of GST that is charged. So that means what? If marked price is X, even GST is X. Okay. The price of the toy is 24 rupees including GST. So if I know the marked price which is X, so I will say okay, the bill amount should be X plus, now what is GST? X percent. So X percent of what? Of X only because the marked price is X. So X plus X percent of X is equal to 24. Okay, this is what we have to understand. Now this X remains as it is. X percent of X, what will I do? X over 100 times X, which is equal to 24. So we get, if I solve it here, X plus X square by 100, which is equal to 24. Now let us do the LCM. This is upon 1, multiply with 100. So this also gets multiplied. So we get 100x plus x square over 100, which is equal to 24. So this 24 goes here. So I can write it as x square plus 100x is equal to 2400. Okay. Now, because we have got the variable as a power of 2, that means we have got a quadratic equation. So everything should be brought to one side and solved. So let us do that. So I will get x square plus 100x minus 2400, which is equal to 0. Okay. Now we have to solve this quadratic equation. So let us solve. So let us compare this with ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. A is 1, coefficient of x square is 1 here. B is 100 and C is minus of 2400. Okay, the C, we have to take care of the sign also. So how do we find x? What is the formula? X would be equal to, let us use the formula, minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, so let us put the values. Minus b means minus 100 plus minus root of 100 square would be a 10,000. Let me write it directly. Then minus 4, see minus 4ac. So let us do that. Minus 4 into 1 into minus 2400. So minus into minus is a plus. 24 times 4 is 96. So this is plus 9600 divided by 2. Okay. So this is what we will get. Now 10,000 plus 9600. So what are we getting? We are getting minus 100 plus minus 19600 upon 2. Now students, let us do this thing smartly. 196 into 100 is 19600. 196 square root is 14, 100 is 10. So we are getting 140 for square root of 196 into 100. If you want to know how to calculate square roots quickly, you can watch our video on the same subject. Okay. So now I am getting minus 100 plus minus 140 by 2. Now what does that mean? It means there are two values of x. Okay. Now let us quickly solve that. I will keep it bit up and let me use different color. So one of the value is minus 100 plus 140 by 2, which will give us 40 by 2, or x is 20 rupees. Okay. The other value which we will reject because it is in minus. So minus 100 minus 140 by 2, because we are finding price, it cannot be negative. So we will say rejected. Hence the answer is that the equate value of x is 20. Okay. So if you want to understand GST better, we have made a series of videos on GST. Do watch those videos, and thank you for watching the video. Thank you.